We're gonna celebrate. Come on, everybody now. We're gonna celebrate. Everybody gather round. We're about to elevate. Getting up and getting down. We're gonna celebrate. Celebrate together now. It's about the time. Can you hear it knocking at the door? It's about that time.
Come on.
Can you feel it like a supersonic waving to the core? Coming at you like. We'll be dancing everywhere we go. Shout it loud with the crowd, everybody knows. Hey, we'll be dancing everywhere we go.
What?
We're gonna celebrate. Come on, everybody now. We're gonna celebrate. Everybody gather round. We're about to elevate. Getting up and getting down. We're gonna celebrate. Celebrate together now. Celebrate together now. Hey, celebrate together now.
Y'all ready for this? Okay.
I don't even know what you're gonna put in here.
Yo, turn the bass up a little.
Come on in, everybody. Hey.
Switch.
We'll be dancing everywhere we go. Shout it loud with the crowd, everybody knows. Hey, we'll be dancing everywhere we go. Yeah, everywhere we go. We're gonna celebrate. Come on, everybody now. We're gonna celebrate. Everybody gather round. We're about to elevate. Getting up and getting down. We're gonna celebrate. Celebrate together now. Celebrate together now. Celebrate together now.
So this dance called Celebrate Together Now, 32 counts for wall improver. There's one restart in Wall Street after count 16 and turn 1/4. Restart at 9 o'clock. Now the dance. First section, weight on your right, start with your left, press forward, recover, behind, quarter forward. Right toe strut out, left toe strut out. Next section, diamond. Cross side back 1/8, behind side cross. Now facing 6 o'clock, side rock, cross shuffle. Next section, step forward. 1/4, flick behind, half turn, cha-cha-cha. Forward, half turn, bumpy hips, up and down. Now facing 3 o'clock, last section, back rock, kickball step. And then cross, step at 1/4. Another quarter, step forward. Now facing 9 o'clock, this is your new wall. The count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then Wall Street, there is one restart after 16 counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After the 16 counts, turn 1/4. Now facing 9 o'clock to restart wall 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And also the last wall will be happened at wall 8. Also 9 o'clock, and then you, after the 16 count, you're facing 3 o'clock, and then you just turn to 12 o'clock for ending. Alright, so let's try the music.